When I moved back to Pakistan, I started volunteering at an institute for intellectually impaired children, which my mum and my khalas used to run for a while. So I started reaching out to like-minded organizations for that very small institute and charity, and I stumbled across Now PDP. Now PDP had been operating for about 5 years before that. We were a 5-person organization working out of a 4-bedroom apartment with 3 other NGOs and 1 functioning bathroom. So that should show you the level of challenges that we faced back in the day as well. And that was 2012 and 13. When we joined, we said we need to create and change the narrative. Health and education have a place in Pakistan. We feel disability deserves that narrative too. Disability deserves the empowerment narrative, the social justice narrative. We have to move away from charity. And I think जब वो हमें अंदाज़ा हुआ, and also from a very selfish place, I said, what is it of a man if they don't go and do things that no one else has done? And I think a person or an institution should aspire to do things that have not been done before, waters that have not been charted before. And I think that's the mandate that Now PDP took up, even in the early days. And a large part of the credit for that, I must say, what Amir was also pointing out, goes to Amin Hashwani and our board as well, who left us and gave us the leeway to make mistakes. To understand कि अगर आप 150 चीज़ें करेंगे, 100 गलत होंगी, लेकिन जो 50 सही चलेंगी ना, वो आपको एक different stratosphere of impact में डाल देंगे. And I think that's where we found the right champions of change, like Unilever, like HBL, like Engro, who took up the mantle to become our champions within their institutions and within their industries as well. So वो सफ़र का आगाज़ हुआ था, I believe 2014 में January के अंदर is where the first corporate client came on board. They said we want to become holistically inclusive, not just accessibility, but mindsets भी बदलने हैं, लोगों को भी लेकर आना है, but policy बदलनी है, and we need to change the culture of the institution. And since then, there have been about 250 plus organizations that we work with across the nation. यहाँ हमें सरकार का भी थोड़ा सा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए. The government of Sindh usually is, sort of railed for rightful reasons, many reasons, but there are some good things that they're doing as well. For disability, there is a carte blanche to bring about public-private partnership change in Pakistan as well. And that is what has benefited us the most, कि सरकार को, private sector को, और taking well-intentioned people who are young, inspired and aspiring, और उनको एक जगह ला के एक ऐसी मूवमेंट क्रिएट की जाए जो पहले नहीं की गई हो पाकिस्तान में, कि जो भी हम चीज़ करें वो गलत नहीं है, मुख्तलिफ है.